This nice. I'm washing my goat meat. I'm gonna put some goat meat, some fur goat. Just give it a clean. Then I am going to season it. There. Getting the excess amount of water in there. Okay, time to get some powder seasoning and season it up. I think I'm going to remove it from here and put it over on the counter and do it over there. So let me pause that a minute. Yeah, that's better. Put some vegetable seasoning. That's enough. Some Tex barbecue seasoning. Yeah. Some Raj garlic powder. And now we get some Jamaican better pack curry. Let's put a little bit on it. You don't want to put too much. That's it. Then I'm gonna put some onion. Just peeling my onion at the moment. Okay. Squeeze the onion. Just only seasoning with the powder seasoning and the onions for now. And when it's almost cooked, then I'll put in some sweet pepper, some carrot, some thyme, some Irish potato, and some scallion. As you know, you call it spring onion. I'll put in some fresh thyme, sweet pepper, spring onion, gonna put a bit of scotch bonnet pepper in it at the moment as well. Wash my pepper. Half a scotch bonnet, half of this pepper I'm gonna put in it. I mean, I don't really like it too hot, but little spice is good. Bring out the flavor, you know. Should do it. Put away this stuff. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit of vegetable oil, so because I'm just seasoning it, so it will just marinate the seasoning inside of meat. The meat will marinate it with the oil, so because I'm just going to cook it instantly. I'm not seasoning it and leave it to marinate overnight. But this way, do it this way, you get all the flavor locked in with the little oil or the little grease. I think I need a little bit more curry powder. A little more curry powder, so the flavor look good. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah. Light my fire. Yeah, that's it. When you're cooking it, you just keep it on a low fire. Start it up with a high fire flame, and then afterward you just leave it on a low flame. Alright, let's stop that there now. Yeah, cause that's long at the moment. Okay guys. Yes guys. Alright, go on simmer. Guys, remember when you're cooking curry or any meat, season it, put it on, and let it stay there and cook on a low flame. Once it's on a low flame, the stock that drain out the meat won't evaporate. Okay? Alright, cool. Yeah, let's give this curry a stir and see what it is saying at the moment. Yep. Alright, but it's not tender yet. Oh, it's half cooked, so I can make the rest of the ingredients and put it in. We're gonna put in some scallion, some spring onion, some thyme, and then put in some Irish potato. Yeah, that tastes alright. Okay guys, I'm putting in some spring onion. Put some carrot in. Irish. Put some thyme in. Yes guys, the curry got good to go and ready. Finish now. Rich and nice.